Okay, so this is going to be a supplementary video. This video is going to emphasize the i'rab rules that we learned. I'rab just simply refers to the grammar of the sentence. What we try to do is, when we go through the sentence, and we may not do it with every single sentence, we try to do a grammatical analysis. Analyze the sentence in terms of what component is this word, why does it have why does it end with this vowel, and so on. This is known as i'rab. So we did a very simple introduction on the mubtada and khabar in the first video, the key points. So the mubtada again is the subject, the predicate is the khabar. So for instance, a sentence like هذا بيت, هذا would be the mubtada, بيت would be the khabar. If you have problems understanding this, go back to video 1. Go back to part 1 of lesson 1. هذا بيت مبتدا خبر. We said that the khabar will always end, specifically in these lessons, these beginning lessons, the khabar will end with a tanween, a dammatain, 2 dammas. هذا بيت, هذا سرير. This is the mubtada, this is the predicate, the mubtada and the khabar. هذا باب مبتدا خبر. هذا كتاب مبتدا خبر. هذا قلم مبتدا خبر, and so on. However, when you ask a question, in general, specifically for this lesson and the lessons to come, when you ask a question, the mubtada and khabar is reversed. They are reversed. So ما هذا, what is this? هذا is actually the mubtada. هذا is the mubtada, and the khabar would be ma. What do you want to know about this? Ma, what is it? So ma will become the khabar and hada will be the mubtada. So the order is switched. And another, if you have problems answering, figuring out the mubtada and khabar, just answer the question. So ma hada, hada baytun. So look at the answer. In the answer, hada is the mubtada. So that means in the question, hada is also the mubtada, and baytun is the khabar. So ma becomes the khabar. That's a side point. It's not that important right now, but if you can grasp that, it will help you a lot later on, inshallah ta'ala. The same thing with man hada. Man hada, also question. So actually man is the khabar and hada is the mubtada. Man is the khabar and hada is the mubtada.